Crash course on Jamaican cuisine and culinary traditions. Welcome to a crash course on Jamaican cuisine, renowned for its bold flavors, vibrant spices, and unique culinary traditions. Join us as we explore the mouthwatering dishes like jerk chicken, ackee and saltfish, and curry goat that have made Jamaican cuisine a global sensation. We'll share some interesting stories and examples to excite your taste buds, followed by a list and description of the top 12 attractions showcasing the rich culinary culture of Jamaica. Jamaican cuisine is a fusion of African, European, and indigenous influences, creating a delightful tapestry of flavors. Here are some interesting stories and examples. 1. Jerk chicken. This iconic dish traces its roots back to the Maroons, descendants of African slaves who escaped into the Jamaican wilderness. They developed a unique method of slow cooking meat over pimento wood, resulting in tender, smoky, and spicy jerk chicken. 2. Ackee and saltfish. Considered the national dish of Jamaica, this flavorful combination features the ackee fruit, which was introduced from West Africa, and salted codfish, a staple of European colonial cuisine. The dish is often served with boiled green bananas, dumplings, and fried plantains. 3. Curry goat. With its Indian influence, curry goat showcases the aromatic flavors of Jamaica. Tender goat meat is simmered in a fragrant blend of curry spices, including turmeric, cumin, coriander, and Scotch bonnet peppers. Top 12 attractions of Jamaican cuisine and culinary traditions. 1. Devon House ice cream. Indulge in the world-famous Devon House ice cream, available in a variety of flavors, including tropical fruits, Jamaican coffee, and rum raisin. 2. Portland Jerk Center. Visit this vibrant spot in Portland, where you can savor authentic jerk dishes, including jerk chicken, jerk pork, and jerk fish, prepared in traditional open-air jerk pits. 3. Scotchies. Experience the rustic charm of Scotchies, a renowned jerk restaurant chain with branches in Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, and Kingston. Enjoy mouthwatering jerk meats and traditional side dishes. 4. Glistening Waters. Dine at Glistening Waters in Falmouth and experience a magical evening as you enjoy a meal surrounded by bioluminescent waters, where the water glows with natural light. 5. Usain Bolt's Tracks and Records. Enjoy delicious Jamaican cuisine at Usain Bolt's restaurant in Kingston, owned by the world's fastest man. Relish the flavors while celebrating the island's sporting legacy. 6. Tasty Patties. Delight in the famous Jamaican patties from Tasty Patties, a fast food chain offering savory turnovers filled with spiced beef, chicken, or vegetable fillings. 7. Hellshire Beach. Visit this popular beach in Portmore, known for its seafood, including deliciously fried fish and festival, a sweet cornmeal dumpling. 8. Miss T's Kitchen. Immerse yourself in the warm and inviting atmosphere of Miss T's Kitchen in Ocho Rios, where you can relish traditional Jamaican dishes cooked with love and passion. 9. Liming at Walkerswood. Discover the flavors of Walkerswood, a small village known for its iconic jerk seasoning. Liming at Walkerswood offers a range of jerk-inspired dishes in a relaxed setting. 10. Rosemary's Restaurant. Located in Negril, Rosemary's Restaurant offers an exquisite farm-to-table experience, showcasing the best of Jamaican ingredients and culinary techniques. 11. Devon House Food Festival. Join the annual Devon House Food Festival in Kingston, where you can sample a wide array of Jamaican dishes and experience the vibrant food culture of the island. 12. Culinary Tours. Embark on a culinary tour of Jamaica, where you can explore local markets, learn about traditional cooking techniques, and indulge in authentic Jamaican dishes prepared by skilled chefs. In summary, Jamaican cuisine is a celebration of bold flavors, rich spices, and cultural diversity. From jerk chicken to ackee and saltfish, each dish tells a story of the island's history and cultural heritage. Embark on a culinary journey through the top attractions of Jamaican cuisine, where you can savor the delicious flavors and immerse yourself in the vibrant food culture of Jamaica. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. Booking.com referral link. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. And now, let's savor the flavors of Jamaican cuisine with a poem. In Jamaica's embrace, a feast of flavors unfold, where spices dance and stories are told. Jerk chicken on pimento wood, slow cooked to delight, with smoky, fiery notes, a taste to ignite. Ackee and saltfish, a national pride, with European and African flavors side by side. Curry goat, a fragrant symphony of spice, tender meat bathed in flavors that entice. Devon House ice cream, a sweet delight, cooling the palate, a tropical dream in every bite. At Portland Jerk Center, the fiery pit ablaze, savoring jerk dishes, moments that amaze. Glistening waters shimmer with magical light, dining amidst bioluminescence, a captivating sight. Usain Bolt's tracks and records, where champions dine, celebrating Jamaican flavors, a taste so fine. Tasty patties, a handheld delight, flaky turnovers filled with savory might. Hellshire Beach, where seafood delights, fried fish and festivals, a coastal paradise. Miss T's Kitchen, a place of love and care, Jamaican dishes served with flavors rare. Liming at